Hello everyone, this is Siraj Salekin. Today I want to persuade you about why internship students should get paid and the reason behind it. So firstly, I want to say what is an internship. I am sure that everyone of you know what is an internship means. An internship is a period of work experience provided by an employer to give graduate students exposed to job world, often within a specific sector which somehow relates to a student's field or study or career interest. How long does an internship takes? Internship period can be as long as 12 months or as short as a week. But the recommendation duration of an internship is a minimum of 2 months to a maximum of 6 months time. It depends on school timetable arrangement and also on study course requirement. Why we need to have internship? Do you need to have internship? So, throughout an internship, you will develop a variety of soft skills, including communication skills, personal effectiveness, uh, presentation skills, creative problem solving, and influencing skills. On the job experience can be as valuable as anything learned in your studies. After all, you cannot really understand what a job is all about until you have worked in that environment. So, this is a common question. Does internship students need to get paid? This is a question which I sure that every internship students pay attention for. Internship students get paid or not be paid is all depends on the company. Most of the company in Bangladesh offer unpaid internship. There is a very few companies they offer paid internship. A friend of mine who is currently is having his internship job in an industrial company, and I asked him, what do you think about internship student should or shouldn't get paid? He without hesitate answered me, of course need to get paid. I almost every day sweep 10,000 of data. I work with my back pain and also my eye hurts. If I work without getting paid, I will feel mentally disturbed, he said. Therefore, in my point of view, I also stand with internship students get paid too. Why do I think so? There are two main points I want to share. That firstly, giving paid internship will attract more candidates, improve. Imagine you as a university student and are finding an internship job. Will you apply for a company with no paid offers? Of course, you do. A student will send his resume to many companies at first, but if you get selected from few companies, half of them paid internship and another half of them offer unpaid internship. Which will you consider? Definitely, you will take paid internship into your consideration. With paid internship, this can reduce burden of student. Not every student come from a wealthy family. Therefore, if a student need to go another state to do his intern, paid internship can reduce their daily cost. Although an internship student does not receive much paid as compared to part-time or full-time employee, but at least a minimum amount should get paid. A study by the National Association of Colleges and Employees showed that among employees they recruited from their paid internship programs, almost 40% of employers reported a higher 5 years retention rate. Instead of bailing at the first opportunity, many of interns would prefer to stay with a company for long terms. Secondly, giving paid interns can increase the work efficiency and productivity of the company. Paid internship usually have more enthusiasm in doing his work as he knows that there is no such thing as freelance. According to report in Inside Higher Education, unpaid interns usually were tasked with scanning and copying documents, facing various items, and tracking purchases or deals. In conclusion, student during internship should be paid. This because by offering paid internship programs, company will attract more candidates, and also increase the work efficiency and productivity. Paid internship provide the opportunity for students of all various economic and social backgrounds to plan for the future without losing financial security. So that's all from me. Thank you everyone. Thanks for listening.